In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency on Turkish Airlines 2025. Step by step. If you're comparing Turkish Airlines fares and want prices to show in a currency that makes sense for you, the quickest way on a major booking site is to adjust the site's language and region settings. I'll walk you through it clearly so your prices refresh in the correct format before you search. Start by opening your browser and going to Priceline.com. Give the homepage a moment to load. This is important because the currency and language controls appear only after the main interface is ready. If the site looks cached or you've used a VPN, consider refreshing the page so it detects your region properly. Now look to the upper right corner of the screen. That's where Priceline groups its account, language, and display preferences. You may see a globe icon, a flag, or a subtle label indicating the current language or region. Click that area to open the preferences panel. On mobile, tap the menu icon first, then scroll to the bottom where language and region live. The options are the same, just tucked into the drawer. In the preferences panel, choose Espanol, US, or any of the three available options you see. These choices are paired language and region presets, and they also control how currency is displayed across the site. Selecting a different option immediately updates the site's locale, which typically shifts the currency and number formatting. After you click your preferred option, the page will refresh and prices across hotels, flights, and rental cars will align to that selection. From here, when you search for Turkish Airlines flights, you should see fares reflected in the currency associated with the language region you chose. If the display doesn't update on the first try, refresh the page or toggle to a different option and back again to force a reload. On some pages, results you already opened in new tabs may still show the old currency until you refresh those tabs. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. If you're signed in, make sure your profile region isn't overriding your selection, log out, and try again if the currency won't change. If you're using private browsing, allow the site to store the preference so it persists while you compare options. And remember, the display currency helps you compare prices, but the final charge currency can still depend on the airline and payment processor at checkout, so always confirm the charge currency on the payment page. That's it! With the language region setting adjusted, you're ready to browse Turkish Airlines fares in your preferred